Electroforming process for 24K hollow gold jewelry. The original master model of the jewelry is usually made from a tin, bismuth alloy or produced as a wax model using a 3D printer. The first step is to apply a silver conductive coating, silver powder mixed with a conductive binder, to the surface of the wax model to ensure electrical conductivity. Tin, bismuth alloy models are inherently conductive and therefore do not require this step. After the silver coating is applied, the surface of the jewelry model is relatively rough. Copper electroforming is then carried out using a bright copper electrolyte. This copper layer helps to fill surface imperfections and smooth out depressions, resulting in a flatter and brighter surface. For jewelry items where surface finish requirements are not particularly high, this step may be simplified as needed. Preparation of 24K gold electroforming solution. 24K gold material is first dissolved in aqua regia. The solution is then diluted with purified water, after which ammonia water is added to precipitate the gold as gold sludge. Once the gold sludge has fully precipitated, it is filtered and thoroughly washed to remove residual ammonia. Typically, the sludge is washed 3 to 5 times. Test paper can be used to check the pH of the filtered rinse water. When the result is neutral, the washing process is considered complete. A complexing agent is dissolved in water to prepare a complexing solution. The solution is heated to accelerate dissolution until it becomes clear and reaches a gentle boil. The cleaned gold sludge is then added to the complexing solution, forming sodium gold sulfite. At this stage, the gold exists in ionic form and is ready for electroforming. Before producing the jewelry, the target finished weight must be determined in advance. During the electroforming process, the final weight of the jewelry is controlled by adjusting the current and the electroforming time. Once the desired electroformed weight is achieved, a small hole is drilled in a concealed area of the finished piece. The jewelry is first immersed in a dewaxing solution and heated to melt and remove the wax core. It is then placed in nitric acid and heated, allowing the silver and copper inside the jewelry to dissolve into the acid. When the nitric acid solution remains clear and no longer changes color or reacts, this indicates that the internal silver and copper have been completely removed. After processing, the finished jewelry can be polished using a vibratory polishing machine to achieve the desired surface finish.